printer for the phone case. iPhone 13 Pro Max. The Kobe photo. This is the black film. Okay, download the print server on your laptop. Click it. Correct. Just wait a few seconds. Okay, now it's done. Then download Zero Plotter app on your phone. Okay, log in. Now we just choose phone case because this is for a phone case. Back film. Pro Max. Back. Okay, this one you can choose for this. Remember that you have to choose the S. S that means 9 inches back film because our film's size is 9 inches. Customized back film, PC print server, in this one. Okay, PC. Now you have to click here. Then scan it. Bind success. You can go back. You can choose photo here. Photo. Okay, now we have to adjust the position of the photo. Make sure it's in the center. Okay, now it's just like this. Preview. You can see the preview. After printing, the effect. Then print picture. Choose. Click here. Click printing. Okay, it's working. Put the blank film here, and then it's going to come outside from here. Make sure your printer is up-fading. Okay, now we cut the customized film. Put it over here. Fit it. And then we choose phone case. iPhone 13 Pro Max. Back. This one. S. S means 9 inches films. Cut. install the customized back film on the phone case. Let's do it. Ding ding. Finish.